Hey, this is Driving with Myles. I'm a state certified instructor. I've been teaching driver's education 21 years. I'm doing tutorials on how to have your hand safely on the wheel. We know there's an airbag in the middle, and there's been much discussion about hand placement. I've looked up some professional publications. When you're making a right turn or doing parking maneuvers, hand over hand in and hand over hand out is the preferred method. We all know there are airbags in the middle of the steering wheel. You don't want to drive with your thumbs on the steering wheel. 9 and 3 or 10 and 2 are good hand placements. A lot of beginning drivers have their hands at the bottom of the steering wheel, which makes it small, or at the top, which makes it small. Those will cause you to make a really sharp, short turn and go over the curb. You won't make your driver's ed instructor happy. Also, you don't want to drive with your hand underhand, thereby throwing the wheel, because you're going to over-rotate your shoulder and hurt your elbow. The same thing when making a left turn. You don't want to throw the car. Those are not efficient ways to turn the steering wheel. Let's talk about hand-to-hand. You're driving around a curve. You gently turn the steering wheel. That is not a hand-over-hand turn. You'll lose control. Reversing into a driveway. You put your left hand at the top of the wheel, you put your right arm on the passenger side, and then you look out of the back window, reversing. Hand placement is extremely important. Also, you don't want to palm the steering wheel. You'll lose control. Those are suggestions. Hand over hand or hand to hand has its proper place. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Have a happy 2021.